The AI tools available on your phone right now are the same ones being used by people in London, New York, and Dubai. And in 2026, knowing how to use them is enough to start a real business. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 of the best AI business opportunities for beginners in 2026. I'm talking about business ideas that work whether your clients are local or international. Whether you are in Lagos or Lusaka or Nairobi or Accra or US or Canada, But before we get into these ideas, I want to say something very clearly. Every single one of these businesses starts in the same place. You need to understand and use AI first. Not deeply, not technically, but confidently. Because you can't sell a skill you don't trust yourself to use. Now, that's why at the end of this video, I'm going to point you to something very valuable but completely free that will give you that foundation you need in under an hour. Keep watching. Hi, I am Dr. Ijamando, and I am here to demystify AI one simple lesson at a time. So stay with me. Let me tell you why this moment is different, especially if you are in Africa or the developing world. Now, picture this. There is a saloon owner in Lagos, Nigeria. She's spending 3 hours a week writing WhatsApp replies one by one. She's chasing appointments she forgot to confirm, and she's posting nothing on Instagram for 2 whole months, simply because she ran out of time. Meanwhile, there's an AI tool on her phone right now that could handle every single one of those problems. But guess what? She has no idea it exists. Now, that gap between what is possible and what most business owners are actually doing is where every idea in this video focuses on. And guess what? There's something most AI business videos won't tell you. See, if you are delivering services remotely to international clients while living on a local cost, let's say in a developing world, you have one of the most powerful economic advantages in the world right now. So we're going to come back to that later on in the video, but first, let's get into the ideas. So here is idea number 1. Idea number 1 is AI content and copywriting. Okay, look around your neighborhood, your street, your local market, all around you. How many businesses do you see with no social media presence? No website, no consistent marketing of any kind? Almost all of them. And it's not because they don't want it, trust me. It's simply because they don't have the time, or they don't have the skills or anyone to help them. And that's the reality. But guess what? That is where you come in. Using AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude, both of them have free tiers which you can start off with. You know what? You can produce social media content, email campaigns, website copies, and marketing materials for these local businesses in a fraction of time it will take you to write from scratch. And guess what? You'll not just be pressing buttons up and down to generate these things. You'll be bringing the prompting skill, the editing judgment, and the understanding of what truly matters to these businesses together. And that is where the value lies. That is what this video is all about. And here is the advantage that no AI tool can replicate on its own. If you speak a local original language like Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, Swahili, Zulu, or whatever, you can create bilingual content for African markets that generic AI tools simply can't replicate. And that's a premium service right there, which you can offer to businesses. So for local clients, you're looking at about $200 to $500 a month to start. And for international clients, and yes, you absolutely can find them, you're looking at $500 to $2,000 and beyond every single month. That's how big the opportunity is. Now, here's my beginner tip for you. Your first clients are within walking distance from you. They're not far away. So start there. Get your first set of results and let the referrals come back to you. Idea number 2. Idea number 2 is AI-powered social media and short-form video creation. Okay, I need you to listen to this very carefully. Africa added over 100 million new social media users in the last 2 years alone. That is massive. But guess what? Almost none of the businesses trying to reach them don't know how to show up consistently to find the customers that they need to reach out. So business owners are always on their phone, constantly punching things around. But most of them have no content strategy, no consistency, and no time to create anything meaningful or strategic that will move their business forward. But guess what? Most of your attention right now is on short form videos. Instagram, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and Facebook. That's where the attention is. And AI scripting tools means that you don't need to be a professional to write or to produce this kind of short form content. Your job is to script it out, create a plan, and organize the content for businesses that know they need to show up consistently, but they don't know how to do it. The tools I recommend you to start with are, CapCut. You can use CapCut for video editing. It has a free version that you can start up with, and it works well on mobile phones, and it doesn't need a strong internet connection for you to get going. Now, you can also use ChatGPT, to help you with scripting. Put your ideas and then generate scripts, and you can use Canva for creating graphics. All of these tools are free to start off with. You can create a simple package like, 12 posts a month, one short video per week. That's a package that you can sell to business owners. And that one becomes a predictable monthly retainer for you and a consistent presence for the business owner. And I think it's a good deal. Now, here's my beginner-friendly tip for you. You can offer a free trial, for 1 month to a local business that you already respect that is around you. You document what happens to their online presence during the period. And at the end of it, you have a portfolio. You have a face case study right there in your hands. And that will lead to future referrals that you need going forward. Idea number 3. Idea number 3 is AI business admin and automation. Now, here's a question I have for you. How many small business owners do you know that are managing their businesses, their entire operations through WhatsApp, a notebook, and their off-head memory? Now, almost all of them are doing that. You have customer follow-ups that are missed because it's tracked in memory. Appointments are forgotten. Invoices are sent late or even not at all. Stock is tracked in someone else's head and it gets missed. That's what you see. But you know what? You don't need to pitch them, oh, I'm going to give you some automation to fix all your problems. No, you have to tell them that you want to solve a problem that they already feel a pinch of it every single day. WhatsApp Business Automation is one of the most practical and in-demand services you can offer in markets where WhatsApp is the primary source of communication with businesses. And there's a large market for that. Tools like Tidio and using the WhatsApp Business API can help you set up automated replies, booking confirmations and follow-up messages when a client interacts with these businesses. And none of these things require you to know how to code. You can even help them set up Google Workspace, for simple systems. You can learn how to use Zapier to connect tools together. And you can transform how small businesses operate for a setup fee of, say, $150 to $500 per project. And then you can add an optional monthly retainer for, ongoing support where you can make in some extra money as well. Now, here's my beginner-friendly tip for you. Don't say to businesses, I offer automation consulting. No, they will not understand that. You will say, I will set up your system and your business to stop losing customers, because that is the problem that most of them recognize. So here is idea number 4. And this is the one I want to spend a little bit of time on to give some explanation. It is AI literacy training. Now, governments, schools, NGOs, and businesses are all being told that they need to understand and use AI in their businesses. But almost none of them know where to even start. And that is an enormous opportunity for someone who actually knows where to start. And I want to be honest with you on this one. Knowing where to start or knowing enough to teach, there's something it means in this context. It doesn't mean that you have to be an AI engineer. No. It doesn't mean that you need a computer science degree. No. What it means is that you need to be one step ahead of the people you are teaching. And you have to be able to explain the concepts clearly and confidently to them. And that's just enough to start. Now, the idea is this. This is what is closest to what I'm doing. But let me tell you, if you want to run AI workshops for local businesses, for schools, for NGOs, your question should be, where do I build the foundation that I need to make me credible and confident enough to teach these concepts, to teach AI to businesses? And the answer to that question is the free course I have built right here on this channel. It is Demystifying AI, a simple introduction for beginners. 13 short lessons in all. In under 1 hour, you've completed it. It is built specifically for people with no technical background, so you can easily follow it and understand. It covers what AI is, how it works, why it matters, and what it means for careers and businesses in 2026. No jargon, no assumptions whatsoever. So if you complete that course, you'll understand AI more clearly than most of the people you'll ever be asked to teach. Trust me on that one. And you know what? That is not an exaggeration. It is the gap that exists right now, which you are able to fill when you complete that course. And from there, you can build a simple workshop, You can offer it free to a local school, a church group, or a business association who will find it valuable. And that becomes your case study, your starting point. You generate testimonials and you start to build a referral agent from there. For NGOs and development organizations, some of them have training budgets specifically for digital capacity building and AI. So you can tap into it. You can offer workshops that pay $500 to $1,500 or more per session. And that is the real business opportunity. Now, the link to the free course, Demystifying AI, a simple introduction for beginners, is in the description of this video. Start there and thank me later. Idea number 5. So idea number 5 is AI-powered freelancing on global platforms. Now, this one is about the opportunity for you to make foreign currency when you are living in a local environment. And I want to explain it very plainly to you. Now, think of this. A client in the US or the UK will consider $20 to $30 an hour reasonable or even affordable for a good freelance work that you can do for them. And in many parts of Africa, that same hourly rate represents a significant daily or weekly income for many people. So think of that. When you use AI to make yourself faster and more capable as a freelancer, what do you have? You see that you can deliver more value per hour. And that means you can earn more because you can do more in a short time without burning out. So platforms like Upwork and Fiverr give you access to international opportunities. You can meet international clients directly right from your phone. Some of the services that sell well in that market include, writing, research, translation, virtual assistance, content creation, data organization, social media management, etc. And if you are bilingual in any African language, Swahili, Yoruba, Igbo, name them, you will be offering something that is genuinely undersupplied in the global platform. And that's a big value. So think of translation and localization of African languages. There's a real gap right there, and global businesses will pay you to help them fill that gap. Now, on the practical side, I wanted to explore Payoneer and Wise because these are some of the most accessible international payment options across most of Africa. Explore them and set an account with one of them before you even start. You can try Stripe or PayPal, but they have limited availability in some countries. But the point is this: don't wait until you have landed a client before you figure out how you get paid. Explore these platforms ahead of time. Now, you can expect a realistic income of, say, $200 to even $1,500 a month within 3 to 6 months of consistent effort. And that figure grows as your reviews and reputation build up. Now, these are realistic figures. Once you have 1 or 2 clients signed up and they're active and you're engaging with them positively, you can get that, but maybe not from the first day. But here's my beginner tip for you. Start with one service, one platform, one niche. Start from there. Don't spread yourself too thin before you've even landed your first client. Start with just one and then grow from there. Okay, so I decided to add 2 bonus ideas that are worth mentioning in this video. Okay, so first one is AI generated educational materials. See, if you understand any subject well, be it science, maths, history, business, English, whatever it is, AI can help you turn that knowledge that you have into tutoring resources, study guides, and revision packs that students will be willing to pay for. In markets with large student populations, and high exam pressure and limited access to quality resources, this is one of the most locally relevant opportunities in this entire list. The competition is almost zero because the market is huge. Demand is constant. And once you've built a resource kit, it sells again and again and again, giving you a steady flow of income. Platforms like Gumroad or even WhatsApp itself can be your distribution channel, so you don't need a website to start. Now, the second bonus idea is e-commerce listing support. You see, you can help business owners who want to sell on Jumia or Etsy, for example, to write better product descriptions and optimize their listings so that it shows up easily on the internet. This idea is so simple and practical and repeatable that you can easily jump on it. So give it a shot. Now, let me bring all this together for you. In this video, I've shared 5 business ideas, all of them beginner-friendly and accessible and viable from where you are right now. Content and copywriting for local and international clients, social media and short-form video management, WhatsApp and business admin automation, AI literacy for schools, businesses, and NGOs, freelancing on global platforms with AI as your productivity engine. Now, none of these are overnight successes, but they are all real opportunities that you can explore. Every single one of them starts from the same place. You need to understand AI well enough to use it with confidence and explain its value to someone else who doesn't. And that's what the free course on this channel is for. 13 short lessons, under 1 hour, built exactly for the kind of person watching this video right now. You are curious, you are motivated, you are not interested in jargon. The link is in the description box. And so we have a newsletter where we send practical AI insights every week, free, straight to your inbox. You can sign up for it. And if this video was useful for you, like it so that more people can find it. And subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss what is coming next. You can drop a comment below and let us know which of these 5 ideas are you most likely to try. We read every one of them and will respond to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.